My name is Eve Lloyd Knight and I am a designer and illustrator at Human After All. In this tutorial I will be recreating a data visualization I worked on for a publication called The Outlook on the Global Agenda 2015 World Economic Forum, art directed by Victoria Talbot. So in this specific data viz is a survey called How Will Urban Air Pollution Change Over Time Around the World, which is this here without the data viz. So what I do first is go to the raw data the client has shared with us. I'm going to take 2010 data and 2050 data and recreate a bar graph a bit like this. So I'm going to copy this data and go into Illustrator and start the graph in Illustrator with this graph tool here. So I'm going to click anywhere on the page and then paste in the list of information and press tick. So that's one set. The next set, I'm now going to use 2050 data and paste it into Illustrator, which rounds up and rounds down the numbers automatically, which I need. So press tick, and the black is the 2010 and the grey is the 2050. So quickly going back to the doc, I'm going to then take the quality control number that they've also given us to show to reference. So that's 20. I'm going to add that to the end as a separate little number that isn't representing a country in particular. So that's on the end, so I know that that's there. Then I cross that off and I'm going to use this, and what I've done is duplicated it and ungrouped all of this and put it into the order that the data has been given to me within the doc, as well as the guidelines data. I then changed it to alphabetical order here and copied and pasted this into InDesign, where I then decided that this would be a bar graph type thing, but upside down, so that the graph comes from the sky down, and these illustrations here would represent the cities in question. So what I did then was flip that using this tool and create circles, and as you can see down here, if I actually just take that down here, that this is used here to show, so that is the tallest, the most, which is the 193, sorry. And then so if I get this correct to the space that I have allocated, all of the rest of these will be accurate in accordance. So what I did then was create a circle that has the exact same height as this graph, and the same for this, which is this one, and then this Russia. You see that all these circles coincide with the height of the bar graph going from this line down, and which then encroaches over the city, indicating how polluted the city is. This smaller circle is the the guidance 20, so that's then placed on all of them. So then basically you can now compare all of it. So this is the final, and we've got the key up here, and obviously the spacing, I've changed the spacing to accommodate the key, and that's it. So thank you very much.